Are you a busy mom who feels like cooking takes forever? Well, today I'll show you quick kitchen hacks that save you time, energy, and even money. Hi, welcome back to this guide where we turn everyday cooking struggles into smart solutions. If your schedule is packed, these hacks will help you prepare meals faster, keep your kitchen organized, and reduce daily stress. Simple definition: quick kitchen hacks are simple, smart tricks that make your cooking easier, faster, and more efficient without sacrificing quality or taste. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Prep ingredients ahead. Use Ziploc bags or airtight containers to cut and store vegetables for 3. Step 2. Freeze sauces or curries in ice cube trays so you can reheat only the portion you need. Step 3. Use one-part meals for dinner prep like pasta, rice bowls, or soups to reduce cooking and cleaning time. Step 4. Store dry snacks or kids' lunch items in clear labeled jars so you never waste time searching. Step 5. Keep a small basket in your fridge only for grab-and-go items like boiled eggs, cut fruits, or yogurt. Tools explained. You will need Ziploc bags, airtight containers, chopping boards, sharp knives, ice cube trays, one-part cookware, and clear storage jars. These are affordable and easily available in any kitchen store. Quick tips: always chop vegetables right after grocery shopping. Use silicone spatulas to avoid food waste in mixing bowls. Batch cook on weekends to save effort during busy weekdays. Cost comparison: buying pre-chopped vegetables or ready meals may cost 20 to 30% more. Preparing them at home with these hacks costs less while keeping your meals healthy and fresh. Mini workflow: grocery shopping on Sunday, chop and store in containers, freeze sauces in trays, keep jars organized in pantry, prep one-part meals during weekdays. This creates a smooth weekly flow. Professional notes: as a time management tip, keep your kitchen tools in reachable spots and label your jars. A little organization saves more time than any fancy gadget. Also, try to balance meal prep with nutrition to keep your family energized. So remember, prep early, freeze smart, cook simple, organize well, and save both time and money. These small changes can transform your kitchen routine. If you found these hacks useful, share this with another busy mom and subscribe for more smart home tips. Let's make cooking stress-free.